For this ornament, I'm going to use 10 mm wide paper strips. So I'm choosing white. I'm using the back of my motorized quilling tool to make the circle. So you can take anything that is a little bit wider to make a circle, or to say it as a ring. After rolling, I'm going to just glue the end. I will be needing more of these shapes, so I am going to make them all. Once they are done, I'm going to pinch the sides as shown in the video to make a eye-like shape with these rings. You need to make eye shapes with all the rings. Now I'm going to arrange them to make the quilling ornament. I'm first going to try with 5 eye-like shapes, and then I decided to go with 6 in the center. So you will be needing 6 rings for the center and another 6 for the sides. Once I'm happy with the design, I'm applying glue to the corner of the eye-like shape and then joining them to make the ornament. Once I have glued all the elements, we can allow it to dry. In the meantime, I'm going to make the center part using 3 mm wide white strips. I'm making a tight coil and then I'm going to fix it to the center of the ornament. You can do this to one side of the ornament or to both sides of the ornament. It's up to you. Now I'm going to make a ring which will hold the ornament. This time I'm going to use the 10 mm wide strips. So I'm using a pen to make a ring and I'm using only half of the strip. After gluing the corner, I'm going to fix it to the ornament as shown. Once it is dry, I'm going to use some gold acrylic paint to paint the top part of the ornament. It is something like gliding the paper, so it gives beautiful result with gold only on the top part and the inner part will be white in color. You can do it on both sides of the ornament or on only one side. This is one way of doing it. In earlier years, I have also used gold spray paint to spray over them. Even it gives a different type of look. After it gets dry well, you can add some thread to make the ornament and it is done.